Hey everyone, and welcome back to Channel Name. Get ready for the ultimate deep dive into the world of automobile. Today, we're covering everything you need to know about cars. We're talking engines, different types, must-have safety features, and even a sneak peek into the future of driving. By the time this video ends, you'll be a car connoisseur. So, buckle up, stick around, and let's hit the gas. Let's kick things off with the fundamental types of cars you'll see on the road. First up, the sedan. It's the classic four-door design that's comfortable, reliable, and absolutely perfect for your daily commute. Think of it as the go-to choice for smooth, everyday driving. Next, we have the SUV, or sport utility vehicle. These are the spacious, family-friendly workhorses of the car world, with plenty of room for passengers and cargo, and often equipped for off-road adventures. They're built for versatility. Then there's the hatchback. These are typically more compact, incredibly fuel-efficient, and a dream for navigating tight city streets and parking spots. The rear hatch gives you surprising cargo flexibility in a small package. Of course, we can't forget the sports cars. These are the lightweight, aerodynamic, adrenaline-pumping machines. Built for one thing, speed. They're all about performance and the pure thrill of driving. And finally, making huge waves. We have electric cars. They're eco-friendly, whisper-quiet, and packed with futuristic tech. As battery technology improves, they're becoming an increasingly popular choice for the modern driver. Now, let's pop the hood and understand what makes these machines move. The engine. Cars generally have two main types. The most common is the internal combustion engine, or ICE. This is the traditional engine that runs on petrol or diesel. The second is the electric motor, which is powered by large battery packs and involves no combustion at all. So, how does an ICE work? In simple terms, it's a four-stroke process: intake, compression, combustion, and exhaust. Fuel and air are mixed in a cylinder. A spark plug ignites the mixture, creating a small explosion that pushes a piston down. This motion turns a crankshaft, which ultimately sends power to the wheels. For electric cars, it's much simpler. The battery sends electrical energy to the motor, which creates a magnetic field that spins the motor shaft, turning the wheels directly. It's instantaneous and incredibly efficient. A quick pro tip for you. With internal combustion engines, a bigger engine usually means more power, but it will almost always be less fuel. It's a trade-off between performance and economy. Modern cars are more than just an engine and wheels. They're packed with incredible features designed for your safety and comfort. Let's start with safety, which is paramount. Today's cars come standard with a suite of life-saving tech. Airbags deploy in a collision to cushion the impact. Anti-lock braking systems, or ABS, prevent your wheels from locking up during hard braking, allowing you to maintain steering control. Advanced systems like Lane Keep Assist help you stay centered in your lane, while collision warnings alert you to potential accidents. When it comes to comfort and convenience, cars have become our second homes. Automatic climate control maintains the perfect temperature without you having to touch a dial. Premium, ergonomic seats make long journeys feel effortless. And the infotainment system is the central hub for music, calls, and navigation, often controlled right from your steering wheel. On the technology front, GPS navigation is now standard. But we're also seeing incredible innovations like semi-autonomous driving aids that can handle steering, acceleration, and braking in certain conditions. For electric cars, features like smart charging options and range estimators are key. Of course, owning a car means taking care of it. Proper maintenance is absolutely essential to keeping your vehicle running smoothly and safely. So here are a few non-negotiable tips. First, regular oil changes. Clean oil lubricates your engine and prevents wear and tear. Second, always check your tire pressure. Properly inflated tires ensure better handling, fuel economy, and safety. Don't forget to inspect your car's battery, especially before winter, to make sure it holds a charge. Finally, regularly test your brakes and all your lights, headlights, taillights, and turn signals. Remember, a well-maintained car not only lasts longer, but also saves you a ton of money on expensive repairs down the line. It's an investment in your car's health and your own peace of mind. So, you're thinking about buying a new car? That's exciting! But it can also be overwhelming. Let's break down a few key tips to help you make the right choice. First and foremost, set your budget. Know exactly how much you can comfortably spend, including insurance, fuel, and maintenance. Don't stretch yourself too thin. Second, think about your primary usage. Will it be for city driving, where a small, efficient car makes sense? Or for long family road trips, where an SUV might be better? Or are you looking for a weekend sports car? Your lifestyle dictates the right car for you. Next, consider the fuel type. Are you sticking with traditional petrol or diesel, or are you ready to make the switch to electric? Each has its pros and cons in terms of cost, convenience, and environmental impact. Also, research the brand and its resale value. Some brands are known for their reliability and hold their value much better than others, which is important if you plan to sell the car in a few years. And the most important tip of all, always take a test drive. It's the only way to truly feel how the car handles, how comfortable it is, and if it genuinely fits you. What's next on the horizon for the automotive world? The future of cars is unfolding right before our eyes, and it is incredibly exciting. First, the electric revolution is in full swing. We're moving towards a future with more eco-friendly vehicles, zero tailpipe emissions, and a quieter, cleaner driving experience. Battery technology is advancing at a blistering pace, making electric cars more practical and affordable than ever. Then there's the rise of autonomous cars. Self-driving technology, powered by sophisticated sensors and cameras, is no longer just a concept. We're already seeing semi-autonomous features in many new cars, and the goal of fully driverless vehicles is getting closer every day. And if you think that's wild, how about flying cars? What once was pure science fiction is now becoming a tangible reality. Companies are developing drone-inspired, vertical Tikka-fan landing vehicles that could one day revolutionize urban mobility. The future of cars is fast, innovative, and sustainable. And that's a wrap on our ultimate guide to cars. From sedans and SUVs to the inner workings of an engine and the self-driving tech of tomorrow, we've covered it all. Which part of the video did you find the most interesting? Was it the engine tech, the buy-in tips, or the glimpse into the future? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, please give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and don't forget to subscribe to Channel Name for more content like this. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.